cute. Oh, he loves you.
Good boy, Argus. Good dog.
Oh, he's so happy.
Yeah.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh, he loves you.
What are you doing? Come on. Jump. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. I'm coming. Oh God. Okay. Hello, you crazy dogs. Hello, silly animals. Hello.
It's so clean smelling.
They got back.
Chris. Thank you.
Yay. Yay, Grace.
Questions? Oh. Hi, puppy. Doggies never forget. Good girl.
Here she comes. Hi. Hi. Who's that, Silver? Who's that, Sussy? Oh my goodness. Who is that? Oh.
Okay. You're wet.
Oh.
Baby.
Oh, she was whining.
What's up to you? Hello. What's up?
Look how excited he is.
What's up, buddy? How are you? You know who I am? You know who I am? You know who I am? Look up to the football. You know who I am? Yes, you. Hello? What are you going to do? What are you going to do?
Look at him. He's hugging you. Where's Daddy? Okay.
What's up? You know who I am, buddy? Yes, you do.
I think they remember you.
That's right, Vivian. She's back.
Hey, man.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy.
Oh my God! Oh, I see. You don't know what to do, baby. You don't know what to do. I see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes.
excited.
One step back.
Harry! Hello!
Hello, Air Bear! Look at the wiggle! Hello, Airy! Hello, Airy! Hello, you're silly! Aww.
Get that footage.
Back. I pulled it. Come on. She's limping. Bojack. No, he's not.
Yeah, Bojack got bit in his ears.
It's alright. You're gonna let go of that dog. Look at that dog.